welcome to Little Edits. I'm Karen Hough, author of Ground Control and managing editor of Lights Out Inc. Little Edits is a series of short videos that can help you self-edit your work. Today's subject is interruptions. I'm an expert at interruptions because of my associate. Today we're talking about distractions. In your writing, you will either have that as a ... an ellipsis, ellipsis. In dialogue or in text, in thought, in writing, in your text, and in your dialogue, there's always going to be interruptions. In life, if you're thinking, if you're speaking, if you're reading, something can come up. There's two ways of handling those. One is trailing off, so that would be ... your use of ellipsis. The other is with an M dash, so an interrupted thought. Did you forget what you were saying and just kind of stop in the middle of your sentence? Or were you trying to say something? Were you trying to say something, but you were interrupted? Both create distraction. Both break up your work, sometimes not in the best way, but they're very natural parts of speech. Both are unfinished thoughts, but it's the nature that they're unfinished. So take a look, change it up, and make sure that your text is true to what you intend. Are they trailing off or are they cut off? So you got your ellipsis, you got your M dash, two different kinds of distractions. They each have their place. Little edits make a difference. I'm Karen Hough. You can find me at KarenHoughWrites.com, Instagram Karen Hough Writes, and Twitter Kapowfit. Ziggy.